How to use an isolation transformer for sensitive electronics. Welcome to this presentation on how to use an isolation transformer for sensitive electronics. Today, we'll explore what they are, how they work, and why they are essential for protecting delicate equipment. Introduction. Isolation transformers serve as a protective barrier between sensitive devices and the raw power supply. By breaking the direct electrical connection, they prevent harmful voltage spikes, reduce electrical noise, and eliminate ground loops. This makes them a crucial safeguard for electronics that require stable, clean, and reliable power. How it works. So how do they work? First, through galvanic isolation, the transformer separates the input from the output, transferring power only via electromagnetic induction. Second, some transformers provide voltage transformation, stepping the voltage up or down to meet device requirements. Third, they provide noise reduction, filtering out electromagnetic and radio frequency interference that could disrupt signals. And finally, they help with ground loop elimination, which prevents unwanted hums and interference that often affect audio, video, or measurement systems. Using an isolation transformer. Using an isolation transformer is straightforward. Step 1. Choose the right transformer with suitable voltage and power ratings. Step 2. Connect the primary side to the power source. Step 3. Connect the secondary side to your sensitive equipment. Step 4. Ensure proper grounding for safety and noise control. And Step 5. Monitor and maintain the transformer, checking for overheating or wear over time to ensure reliable operation. Benefits for sensitive electronics. The benefits of using an isolation transformer are clear. They protect equipment from sudden voltage spikes. They reduce noise, ensuring cleaner and more stable power. They improve signal integrity, making measurements and signals more accurate. They eliminate ground loops, reducing interference. And above all, they enhance safety by electrically isolating the user and the equipment from the raw power source.